So help me God.
Arũgamĩrĩria honge cia ũigithia wa indo cia mũingĩ na mahũthĩro ma mbeca cia thirikari ministry-inĩ ya kĩgĩna arĩa irore ciao cikoretwo ikĩonekana kwa ũingĩ marũa-inĩ ma kũhĩtũkia marĩhi ma ciringi birioni 6 kũrĩ kambuni ya Jamhuri Holdings thũgũrĩ-inĩ ya ũramati wa kambuni ya ũkinyanĩria wa thimũ ya Telkom macoketie bara nginyo ũthuthuria wa mbeca ici thutha wa kuga atĩ onao matioĩ ũrĩa waciamũkĩrire o marũmagĩrĩra mũtaratara wa kũrekereria mbeca cia thirikari no tio mawambagĩrĩria.
I have never met Cannington and I said Safaricom we are 35%. I was looking after those shares. I've never met. I can't tell you who is the owner of Vodafone. I don't know. I've never met them. But we do business every day. And government does business with them every day. But you don't have to know the owner in the physical to be able to transact business.
Yes, the transaction was approved by both the National Security Committee and the Cabinet. And these documents are in Appendix 4, which starts from page number 26 all the way to the rest of the pages.
No abunge maugite ati atongoria ya agikiro kia iguru ni kuhenania marahenania kuhithania rurenda rwa mbeca ici na ni undu urarituhia uthuthuria uyu.
These people are using one source. All these documents are prepared by one person. So meaning there must be a person seated somewhere in an office giving them information to come and lie to this committee. So the face of it, at certain stage, this committee must invoke Article 125 and declare some of these individuals as uncooperative.
Nobody in Treasury has ever met the same Paul Cunningham. And you are telling us somebody has been releasing documents to the ministry and you people you have been executing and returning them to him. Sincerely speaking, are you honest?
And if everything was done above board, well and good. If someone is lying to us, if someone is not providing the correct documents, these great minds will get to the bottom of it and a decision will be made.
At the beginning, I thought it was just because of the fear of another regime taking over. So this other regime goes away with something. And I still have that at the back of my mind. Nothing will remove me from believing that. But what was the hurry that these guys needed their money before elections?
Ũrĩa ũrarĩ mũrũgamĩrĩri wa ũigithia wa indo cia mũingĩ Engineer Stanley Kamau akĩnyita mbaru mũrũgamo wa ũrĩa ũrarĩ minister wa kĩgĩna Ũkuria Tani okerere atĩ thirikari nĩyo nyene kambuni ya Telkom igana kwa igana rĩu na maratathi mothe me ofici-inĩ cia ministry ya kĩgĩna na wona bodi ya kambuni ĩno yahanyũkia mogarũrũku ma ũramati kũrũmĩrĩra thũgũrĩ ĩno fomu ya CR12 ĩrĩa ĩrĩ ofici-inĩ ya mũnene wa watho no gũcenjio ĩgacenjio na nĩ ũndũ ũngĩhingio ona na muthenya omwe.
There has been communications authority that has said that it would not be in national interest to have government running Telkom 100%. So to your mind, the strategic reasons override whatever other advice you would have gotten on the acquisition of Telkom.
Where I can be able to assess things on a commercial basis. The issues to do with the issues on security and national security, I think we got a direction. And I think this direction is what we are trying to implement. So this came from National Security Council, from a memo. In fact, the time I have worked in government, this is the only time I have seen a communication from National Security Council.
Bunge igithie rutha rwa kiumia kimwe uthuthuria wa kamiti icio hana tote fefete tondu aria othe mahutanirie na thuguri ino aria marerigiriirwo ni megutheria kuria kurari no cuke marutite uira uria tumite abunge amwe giikaro-ini giki metikie thabari ya kumburania thuguri ino makiria mothio ma andu aria marihirwo yaya gukorwo iri ndaihu gukira uria merigiriire makiambiriria uthuthuria uyu. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.